This exam application tutorial is on the topic of combustion of fuels. The question for 6 marks: explain how carbon dioxide is added to and removed from today's atmosphere. What this question is asking you to do is list the different natural and man-made processes that add and remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Well, firstly, humans burn fossil fuels and wood, releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Secondly, we cut down trees on a mass scale, so large-scale deforestation, that's the cutting down of trees, reduces the amount of carbon dioxide removed from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. So these are man-made causes of an increase in carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. However, when living organisms die, bacteria release carbon dioxide when they decompose dead organisms. So these summarize the main causes of carbon dioxide being released into the atmosphere, but what about being removed? Well, if removing trees adds carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, it makes sense that by planting trees we reverse that process. So we can remove carbon dioxide by planting more trees, which then obviously carry out photosynthesis, which requires carbon dioxide. We can use iron seeding to promote the growth of phytoplankton. Iron is required by microscopic plant life that lives in the sea, called phytoplankton. They use the iron to grow. When they grow, they carry on the process of photosynthesis, but are now on a larger scale because there's more of them, and remove carbon dioxide. So we can use iron seeding to promote the growth of phytoplankton, which remove carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. Also, scientists can convert waste carbon dioxide back into hydrocarbons, fuels, although this isn't a very easy process to carry out. And for it to work, we have to use a renewable source of energy to convert carbon dioxide into hydrocarbons.